Biological diversity is the presence of variety of species of plants and animals on the earth. Moreover, biodiversity is also called biological diversity as it is related to variety of species of flora and fauna on the earth. Biological diversity is very important for maintaining the balance on the earth. As the global community is called to re examine our relationship with the natural world, one thing is certain. Despite of all the technological advances, we are dependent on healthy and vibrant ecosystem for our survival and for the needs of water, fuel, energy, shelter, just to name a few. But the biological diversity on the earth is decreasing day by day. If it is not stopped, then our earth will not be the place to live in. Therefore, different measures are taken to increase the biological diversity on the earth.
International Biodiversity Day is celebrated every year on 22nd May. From its creation by the Second Committee of the UN General Assembly in 1993 until 2000, it was held on December 29. To celebrate the day, the Convention on Biological Diversity went into effect. On December 20, 2000, the date was shifted to commemorate the adoption of the Convention on May 22, 1992 at the Rio Earth Summit and partly to avoid the many other holidays that occur in the late December. The UN General Assembly declared 2011 to 2020 the United Nations Decade on Biodiversity. This decade serves to support and promote implementation of the objectives of the Strategic Plan for Biodiversity and the Aichi biodiversity targets with the goal of significantly reducing biological loss.
This year in 2021, the theme is We Are Part of the Solution. The slogan was chosen to be a continuation of the momentum generated last year under the overarching theme of Our Solution Lies in Nature, which serves as a reminder that biodiversity remains the answer to several sustainable development challenges, from nature based solutions to climate, health issues, food and water security, and sustainable livelihoods. Biodiversity is the foundation upon which we can build back better. This is the main message from the Convention of Biological Diversity or CBD, a key international instrument for sustainable development. And today, the students of class 12B are here to elucidate you all on this special day.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Do you know what are we celebrating today?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let me tell you that today is the International Biodiversity Day, which is also called the World Diversity Day. So, does anybody know that what is biodiversity?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so let me take you to the world full of species and tell you that what actually is biodiversity and what is its significance.
Hello everyone, myself Bonnie Orangutan. Our number has decreased from 2,30,000 to 1,04,700. Our reproductive rate is very low and you all are hunting and killing us rapidly for seed dispersal. But we don't want to get extinct. Please save us.
I'm a polar bear, but soon I would be endangered polar bear. We are killed because of your greed to sell our skin at high prices. We are declared as threatened species as the main habitat. Sea ice is getting reduced due to global warming. Please save us. We want to live.
Hello everyone, I am Hawksbill Turtle. I know most of you aren't aware of me and it's your fault only. I'm endangered because of you all only. My shells have been prized since ancient Egypt time and are used in tortoise shell trade.
Hello, all. I am Blue Whale and I am heavier than the biggest dinosaur. And yes, I am also endangered because of human greed and hunting activities of past and present. We are only 10,000 in number. Please save us.
Hi, I am Dolphin, and we are losing lives due to pollution, dams, shipping, and hunting. We need your support. Please don't kill us.
I am Kiwi, well known for human habitation and farmland. I am poached for many reasons and my population is now in danger. Please save me.
Hi everyone, it's Snowy Owl, also known as White Owl. I'm used by humans as I'm a food source. Many of my friends are killed in accidents, and hunters, they kill us for our eyes and paws. Won't you save us? Please save us.
I am Great Indian Bastard, and yes, I too is soon going to leave this world just to satisfy your greed. But please also listen to my need.
Hi, I'm Mahogany, and I am getting endangered due to my low reproductive rate and my reckless cutting for commercial purposes, and also in treatment for gonorrhea. Please use me. Do not overuse.
Hi, I'm Red Sandalwood Tree. I'm extensively used in extraction of sanitation, a red pigment used as dye and colorant in food, medicine, and cosmetics. Please save me.
Hi, I am Terra Nova, commonly called as pygmy water lily, but now I am afraid as me and my friends are going to die as I am used in construction and agriculture as we kill many pests. But please don't kill us.
Oh no, ma'am. The wildlife and plant life is in danger. We need to protect them.
The yellow fields, the burning sun, blue sky, the pretty birds. Where have they all gone?
Yes, children, it's a reality that we aren't left with many species. Do you know that scientists have estimated that there are 8.7 million species of plants and animals in existence? But the sad truth is, most of Earth's biodiversity is in jeopardy today due to human consumption and other activities that disturb our ecosystem. Also, scientists have estimated and predicted that half of the species on Earth will be wiped out within the next century.
We have now understood that the earth is a beautiful place which is now threatened by human race.
All the habitats are being destroyed by the hour.
We must learn to care.
That's the only way we can hope to save the earth.
For that's the only way we can hope to save the earth.
Pick up your waist and litter wherever you go. In sun or rain, in frost or snow. Let all the little plants and the animals have their say. Biodiversity, hooray, hooray. Our water is so precious, so cherish it and spread this good message. You can count on trees for the air you breathe, oh Mother Earth. You give us soil to plant our trees to grow our crops. That's not where you stop oceans and fields. You give us all we need so we can live. Ooh, ooh. You give us all we need so we can live.